This model kit review is of the German Type 212 attack submarine, and it is a 1/350th scale model. There are the dimensions. It's by Hobby Boss. Looks like it's a little submarine, but it's the same scale as many other nautical or ship models. Here's some details about the submarine there. Some pictures there. Let's have a look inside. It's going to be a very simple model. You can see with some recessed panel lines. It's very nicely molded. This is the top half of the hull. Very nicely molded with some good surface detail. Here's the other, this is the bottom half of the hull here. Again, also nice surface detail there, and nice and flat. Looks like we have a little stand here. Okay, and then we've got the top portion here that's going to go on top of the tower, so like there. Looks like we've got two options, one with the vents or doors open or close. These are the legs to hold it, with some tower communications there. We've got some fins, and then two different style blades there, but also we have this. So we've got some two different types of photo etch blades there. So here we have some decals, very simple there. It's obviously a very simple model. Here are the instructions. Not a lot of instructions there. So there's the parts list. As you can see, not many parts. You can have the antenna and mast and so on up or down, and then I guess it's going to be lots of extra little pieces, so that's if you want them all down. And then put the whole together, and there are the fins on the stand, and then our propeller. There's the decal and paint guide, and as you can see, it's a very simple model but very nicely made.